To find the equation of the line given 2 points, use this 2-point form. Kung ang given naman ay slope and a point, use this slope point form. Kung ang given naman ay intercepts, gamitin itong intercept form. And lastly, kung ang given ay slope at y-intercept, gamitin itong slope intercept form. Find the equation of the line given 2 points. Example number 1, 2, 5 and negative 2, negative 3. 2, 5 is the first point. Mark this as x sub 1 and y sub 1. Negative 2, negative 3 is the second point. Kaya ito ang ating x sub 2 at y sub 2. To find the equation of the line given 2 points, use this formula. Next step is substitution. Y minus y sub 1 is 5 equals y sub 2 is negative 3 minus y sub 1 is 5 over x sub 2 is negative 2 minus x sub 1 is 2 times x, walang value si x, copy, minus x sub 1 is 2. Simplify, y minus 5 equals negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8 over negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4 times, copy, x minus 2. Simplify negative 8 over negative 4. It will become y minus 5 equals negative 8 divided by negative 4 is positive 2 times x minus 2. Distribute 2 to x minus 2. It will become y minus 5 equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Transpose negative 5 to the right side of the equal sign. It will become y equals 2x minus 4, negative 5 magiging positive 5. Y equals 2x, negative 4 plus 5 is positive 1. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Write this in standard form. It will become negative 2x positive y equals positive 1. First term natin ay negative. Multiply the whole equation by negative 1 para maging positive yung ating first term. Negative 1 times negative 2x is positive 2x. Negative 1 times y is negative y equals negative times positive 1 is negative 1. This is the standard form and this is the slope-intercept form. Example number 2. 1, 5 and 3, 2. The first point is 1, 5. Kaya ito ang ating x sub 1 at y sub 1. Ang ating x sub 2 ay ito at y sub 2. At ito ulit ang ating gagamiting formula. Substitute the values. Y, walang value ang y. Copy. Y minus y sub 1 is 5 equals y sub 2 is positive 2 minus y sub 1 is positive 5 over x sub 2 is positive 3 minus x sub 1 is 1 times x is walang value, kopya na lang, minus x sub 1 is 1. Simplify, y minus 5 equals 2 minus 5 is negative 3 over 3 minus 1, positive 2 times x minus 1. Distribute negative 3, 2 sa ating binomial x minus 1. It will become y minus 5 equals negative 3 halves times x is negative 3 halves x. And negative 3 halves times negative 1 is positive 3 halves. Mayroon tayong fraction na 3 halves. Gawin nating whole number ang ating buong equation o walang fraction. At para maging whole number ito, i-multiply na ang whole equation by 2. Dahil ang denominator ay 2. Y times 2 is 2y. Negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Equals negative 3 times 2, negative 6. Divide by 2, negative 3. Simply cancel na lang yung 2. Ang naiwan ay negative 3x. Plus, same here, cancel na lang yung 2. Ang naiwan ay 3. Add like terms, 2y equals negative 3x plus 3. Negative 10, pag transposed, magiging positive 10. 2y equals negative 3x plus 13. Divide all by 2 para ang maiwan na lang ay si y. Y equals negative 3 halves x plus 13 over 2. This is the slope-intercept form. The standard form is 3x plus 2y equals 13. Ito naman ang standard form. This time, the given is the slope and the point. Ang formula na gagamitin ay y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. At dahil isa lang ang point natin, mayroon lang tayong x sub 1 at y sub 1. Substitute these values to find the equation of the line. Y minus y sub 1 is negative 3 equals m is negative 1 times x kopya minus x sub 1 is positive 5. Simplify, y minus negative 3 is y plus 3 equals. Distribute negative 1 to x minus 5. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Negative 1 times negative 5 is positive 5. Add like terms. Y equals negative x plus 5, transpose 3, positive, magiging negative 3. Y equals negative x, 5 minus 3 is 2. So, this is plus 2. This is the slope-intercept form and the equation of the line having slope negative 1 and with point 5, negative 3. Write this in standard form. It will become transpose negative x sa kaliwa ni equal sign. Magiging positive x, copy plus y equals positive 2. This is the standard form. Example number 2. The slope is equal to 3/4 and the point is negative 2, positive 3. At dahil meron lang tayong isang point, ito ang ating x sub 1 at y sub 1. Substitute the values. Y minus y sub 1 is positive 3 equals m is 3/4 times x, copy, minus x sub 1 is negative 2. Simplify muna natin itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. Y minus 3 equals 3/4 times x, negative of negative 2 is positive 2. Distribute 3 to x and 2. It will become y minus 3 equals 3/4 x plus 3 times 2 is 6 over 4. Add like terms. Y equals 3/4 x plus 6 over 4 plus 3. Dahil si negative 3, pag trinanspose, magiging positive. Add natin itong dalawang to. Y equals 3 over 4x plus 3 times 4, 12 plus 6 is 18. So, this 18 over 4. Shortcut iyon ang pag-plus ng fraction at ng whole number. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form having slope 3/4. Ayun, 3/4 talaga. And with the point negative 2, positive 3. Now, write this into standard form. It will become negative 3/4 kasi positive magiging negative. Positive y equals 18 over 4. At para mawala ang fraction, multiply natin ang whole equation by negative 4. Yan, dahil ang denominator natin ay 4 at ang first term natin ay negative. Kaya negative 4. Negative 3 times negative 4 is positive 12. Divide by 4 is positive 3x. Ayan. Simply, cancel na lang yung 4. Multiply na lang yung negative. Negative times negative 3 is positive 3x. Y times negative 4 is negative 4y. Equals. Same to. Cancel na lang yung 4. 18 times negative na lang. Magiging negative 18. This is the equation of the line in standard form with slope 3 over 4 and the point negative 2, positive 3. This time, find the equation of the line given the intercepts. This is the x-intercept and this is the y-intercept. Substitute it to this equation. It will become y equals negative, b is positive 4 over a is negative 3. X plus b is positive 4. Simplify this. Y equals negative 4 over negative 3 is positive 4 over 3. Because negative divided by negative is positive. X plus 4. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form having x-intercept negative 3 and y-intercept positive 4. Write this in standard form. It will become negative 4 over 3x plus y equals positive 4. Meron tayong fraction. Make it whole number by multiplying the whole equation by negative 3. Dahil ang denominator ay 3 at ang first term natin ay negative. Okay? So, cancel na lang yung 3. Ang naiwan ay negative. Negative 4 times negative is positive 4x. Y times negative 3 is negative 3y. Equals 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. This is the equation of the line in standard form with x-intercept negative 3 and y-intercept positive 4. Example number 2, 3, 0 and 0, negative 2. For the first point, the ordinate is 0, meaning ito ay tumama kay x-axis. Therefore, 3 is the x-intercept or a is equal to 3. Second point, ang absisa ay 0, meaning ito ay tumama kay y-axis. Kaya, ang y-intercept natin ay negative 2 o ito ang value ng b. Use this formula, substitute the values. Y equals negative, b is negative 2 over a is positive 3x plus b is negative 2. Simplify. Y equals negative of negative 2 is positive 2 over 3x Positive of negative 2 is negative 2 because positive times negative is negative. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form with x-intercept 3 and y-intercept negative 2. Write this in standard form. It will become negative 2 over 3x plus y equals negative 2. May fraction ulit tayo. Multiply the whole equation by negative 3. Negative dahil ang first term natin ay negative. 3 dahil ang denominator natin ay 3. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6 over 3x. Y times negative 3 is negative 3y equals negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6. Simplify, 6 over 3 is 2. Copy x minus 3y equals 6. This is the standard form of the equation of the line with x-intercept 3 and y-intercept negative 2. Lastly, find the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept. The slope is 2 and y-intercept is negative 3. Use the formula y equals mx plus b. Substitute the values. Y equals m is positive 2, copy x, b is negative 3. So, lagay natin negative 3. This is the equation of the line in slope-intercept form with slope 2 and y-intercept negative 3. Write this in standard form. It will become negative 2x plus y equals negative 3. Negative ang ating first term. Gawin nating positive by multiplying the whole equation by negative 1. Negative 2x times negative 1 is 2x. Y times negative 1 is negative y equals negative 3 times negative 1 is positive 3. This is the equation of the line in standard form with slope 2 and y-intercept negative 3. Example number 2. The slope is negative 1/2 and the y-intercept is 7. Use the formula y equals mx plus b. Substitute the values. Y equals m is negative 1/2 x. B is positive 7. This is the equation of the line having slope negative 1/2 and y-intercept positive 7. Write this in standard form. It will become 1/2 x plus y equals 7. Mayroon tayong fraction. Multiply the whole equation by 2 dahil to ang ating denominator. 1 times 2 is 2, divide by 2 is 1. So, cancel na lang yung 2. Magiging 1x. Si 1 ay invisible, kaya burahin na natin si 1. Y times 2 is 2y equals 7 times 2 is 14. This is the equation of the line in standard form with slope negative 1/2 and y-intercept positive 7. This is your assignment, page 29 of your math module. 2 points for each item for a total of 10 points. Good luck! Thank you for watching!